All you have to do is, this is on here by friction, you just need to loosen up each corner until it pops off. And there you go. Now here's the exact product that I ordered, and you can see the information. You can even use the UPC symbol there. So here's the unpackaged product. It's just a thin sheet metal type material. They say it's thin enough that it can even be cut with a standard pair of house scissors. I wouldn't recommend doing that with a good pair of scissors, but if you have a trashy pair of scissors somewhere, you can certainly use it to cut that. So all you need to do is measure 7 of these rings wide by 8 high. And when you cut underneath the 8th one, you'll see that you actually need to remove the bottom corners on the finished cut, because when you go to put it on, you'll see that the distance from the top post to the bottom post is a little bit more than 8. So the way it goes on is you just push it down there. And it's nice because the distance between here and here creates a little friction that holds it down. And then of course when you put the whole box against the wall, it's going to hold the bottom of the plate in, so that your finished product, it doesn't change. As you can see, the louvers are moving easily, so it doesn't change the function of the vent whatsoever. And there you have it. No more squirrels, no more birds. Simple solution. So now you're ready to put it all back together. Just line up the posts with the friction holes. And it all slides back together. Give it a couple taps. It's back on the way it was originally, and the flaps move exactly the way they should. And you now have perfect protection for birds and squirrels.